Hi YouTube family! My name is Alicia English.
And I'm Philip English.
Welcome back to our channel.
Today is demo day!
Demo day! We are so excited. We are demoing our main floor bathroom. I'm super embarrassed almost to show them the state of this bathroom.
Yeah, I almost want to demo it before we have to actually display it, but we promised from the beginning of starting this journey that we would always show you the good, the bad, and the ugly. And this is definitely the ugly.
This might be the ugliest.
We have teamed up with our favorite home hardware and designed the most epic bathroom ever.
We're gonna show you the whole transformation, so if you're not already subscribed, click the button and join us on our journey.
What are you waiting for?
What are you waiting for? I am so excited about this bathroom renovation. I almost unboxed the new tub and sat in it in the driveway, although I think the neighbors would think I was a little bit nutty. But I'm so excited because we are bringing this bathroom right down to the studs. We are removing all of the walls. We are removing absolutely every single square inch of this bathroom and starting over. I have done a design that I've been dreaming up on what I wanted this bathroom to look like. We bought our house 6 years ago. This bathroom is original. It is horrendous. It is by far the room in the house where you hope nobody has to use the washroom when they come and visit, because you just want to leave the door shut and hope that no one even knows it's there. So we need this space to be functional, a lot easier to clean, and actually flow with the rest of the house. This is a main bathroom, and main bathrooms are super important and they need to function really well. And so that is the key to this. Look at the design elements of the existing bathroom, see what works and what doesn't, and make those changes. Home Hardware has so many amazing products to choose from, and everything I'm using for this transformation is from Home Hardware. All of their information will be in the link below, so if you want to do your own bathroom designs, check out their website, homehardware.ca. Tub, toilet, vanity, flooring, wall tiles, light fixtures, absolutely everything you can dream of for a bathroom, we are doing to this space. I met up with one of the Home Hardware experts in their kitchen and bath department and was able to bring my vision to life. They helped me get everything together so that I didn't miss any elements that I would need for this bathroom renovation. In order to keep this a little more budget friendly, we are going to do this work ourselves, which is kind of fun because, I mean, renovating your own bathroom and seeing the outcome is going to be very fulfilling. I'm really excited to show you the design that I've created and all of the special elements. We are also going to do some DIYs for the bathroom. Of course, what I did when I was going to design this bathroom was to create a little bit of a mood board or an inspiration board on the elements that I really wanted to have as cosmetic items in this bathroom space. And online, I was seeing amazing black hexagon tiles. And I thought, oh my goodness, if I could just find a place where I would be able to get these. And of course, Home Hardware has them. They are dreamy. So I'm going to show you a sneak peek on the wall tiles and the floor tiles that I'm going to use for the bathroom. But you're gonna have to subscribe and stay tuned for the rest of the elements because I'm not gonna show you everything in this video. These are the gorgeous hexagon tiles. And I'm not sure if you can tell from the video, but these are a matte black. They're actually not glossy. They're going to have really dark grout in them. And I think these are going to be a really amazing design element and also function really well for me as a mom of 2 boys with 3 basset hounds. No white floor for this family. We absolutely need to have dark floor. So having a much more functional, easy to clean flooring is going to help this mom out. I'm also really excited about having some vintage vibes in that bathroom, and I love these subway tiles, which we're going to be using from floor to ceiling and lots of spaces in the bathroom. So these subway tiles are also matte and they have a little bit of a vintage cutout. They're not your traditional perfectly rectangular, flat, high gloss subway tiles. They're going to have a much different look when you actually get them on the wall with the white grout. I'm super excited to do these because I've done tile jobs before and really enjoyed it. So I'm really looking forward to doing this.
What are you doing?
I'm peeking at my new vanity.
You're not really gonna open that yet, are you?
I have to take one look at it. This is from a new line that Home Hardware is carrying, and it's the new Scott Makeover line vanities. So if you wanna do your own research, you can try to guess what one I'm using, but they're all dreamy, so there really was no bad choice. I can only see the top, I need to see the bottom too.
Occasionally, I need to breathe. Stop me for a second, I got
There's more pretty bathroom things in here. You know those bathrooms you see people renovate online and you think, really wasn't that bad to begin with? I've seen worse. Yeah, this isn't one of those bathrooms. This bathroom is awful. When we moved in 6 years ago, we knew it had a lot of potential, but the project just hasn't come up yet. So I'm so happy that we're doing this bathroom. I'm almost too embarrassed to show you the state of this bathroom, but I promised I would take you on this journey as we renovate and create a life we love. Doing this bathroom is definitely a project that makes me go like, oh my gosh, I'm really gonna put this on the internet. But We're gonna show you. It's bad, brace yourselves. But this is going to be an amazing transformation. Okay, are we ready to show them?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Oh wow, are we doing this? Okay, let's go. Welcome to our main floor bathroom. Aside from the appearance of this bathroom, there are a lot of main issues that make this bathroom totally dysfunctional. We don't have a linen closet in our home, and so there's absolutely zero storage spots to put anything that you would want near or even in your bathroom. We absolutely have nowhere to put shelving, because if you had a shelf here, you would literally hit yourself on it. There's no storage on any types of the vanity here. We have an open vanity on the bottom where we could put like extra toilet paper or something, but this is not really useful at all. There's shelving on the wall here where you hang a towel, but this is not storage at all. We have tried many different ways to have storage and nothing works. Someone also painted this room with non-bathroom paint, so when it gets moist, we get little drips of oil on the wall or even peeling paint all along the ceiling, so that needs to be fixed. This is not glamorous tile. This tile we actually tried to remove in one spot. It's metal on the back, plastic on the front, and someone painted it with many, many layers of, I'm assuming, non-bathroom paint. And in order to remove this, we actually have to remove the walls completely. It will not come off. We have a mirror here that's too tall for our kids so they can't see in the mirror. And because it's built into the wall, it's not really an easy fix unless you completely remove it. The lighting is terrible. The appliances sometimes work. And one of the things that's really annoying about this bathroom is that with Philip and I being shorter people, we actually have to stand underneath the shower head because we are too tall to actually have the water just come down. They built these built-ins up above. They don't even open, they're not even functional. It means that the shower head is super low in the shower wall, which doesn't make any sense at all. The bathtub is very, very shallow and too short for Philip and I to even put our legs out straight. And overall, it's just completely falling apart. They've glued together this old backsplash, so it's actually not even attached on the wall in some of the areas and impossible to get clean. Not to mention super stained from previous owners. This place needs a complete overhaul.
There's a world inside my head. I get lost in it from time to time. No one has a spare key, only one.
The other aspect of this bathroom that really makes the floor plan even smaller than it already is the fact that this door comes into the bathroom. So when you're walking in or when you're coming in, it takes this whole area when you're coming in, which you don't think would really be that big of a deal. It's just a door. But when the bathroom is only not even 8 feet long by not even 6 feet, it really takes up almost a 3-foot span as it fans in, eliminating what could potentially be storage or counter space. So when designing this bathroom space, I had to think of all of these negative elements about this bathroom and find solutions on how we were going to fix these non-functional items as well as make this a beautiful living space. We really want to add some storage, number one. So we're looking at doing something with open shelving, doing even shelving on the walls in a really neat ledge idea, and then also being able to have spots to put things that don't need to be out all the time. Not having a linen closet means that open shelving is going to give us so many possibilities for storage into this space. The second is having more counter space or more sink space by giving an updated vanity, which also will have added storage. So I'm really looking forward to that. Functional faucets, gorgeous functional faucets, are going to make an impact in the design style that I'm wanting to create in this space. We're going to mix and match a little bit, so we're going to keep the design a little bit interesting when it comes to hardware and faucets. The other thing I want to do is add a gorgeous mirror, and the inspiration that I'm going for this space has a gorgeous arched mirror. I looked online and found the prices for arched mirrors pretty much unobtainable for a bathroom space, but luckily was able to find one on the thrifted marketplace for only $20 that I can do a DIY on, so stay tuned for that. Lighting in this space is key when you have such a small space like this. You really want to make this space seem bigger by having the proper lighting. So we had beautiful lighting options at Home Hardware, so I've chosen a couple light fixtures for this space, which is really gonna brighten things up. One of the design elements that I'm really super excited about this space was to add tiling on the walls as well as a really unique tiling for the flooring. going to add that design look that I'm looking for, as well as function really well. I don't like the flooring style that we already have, and I want something deep that's going to really show a lot less dirt with 3 basset hounds and 2 little boys that live in this space. And then to solve the problem in this shower, we're actually going to be reconstructing all of the walls in this space to be able to create some open shelving spots and take out these hideous upper cabinets. That way we can adjust our plumbing up higher in the shower and have an appropriate size height for the faucet that's going to go there. Also, a deeper bathtub, because we are going to do some lounging when we're done all of the work in this bathroom space.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight, didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. I never left a stone unturned, trying to find some love in this crazy world. I felt like I was never heard.
Whew! So glad to get rid of that bathroom.
Could we not have done that 6 years ago?
There's nothing better than a great old demo day.
Why does it feel so good to deconstruct things and know that it's going to be an amazing transformation? Feels so good to get that out of the way. I think I like it better demoed than I did actually set up. So we're gonna have a really amazing transformation coming. I'm so excited that we've teamed up with our favorite brand to be able to do this bathroom. And I am so excited also that you guys are gonna be part of the journey of us creating this amazing space. I don't wanna show you all of the elements yet. I want you guys to see this design come to life as I'm envisioning it. Philip is totally on board with this amazing mood board that we've done for this bathroom. And we are adding in some of our own personal touches as well. DIY, some personal touches with our family, and getting this bathroom a lot more functional for our family. Not to mention, it's going to look beautiful in the end.
Thank you so much for watching, YouTube family. We love ya, and we'll see you on the next episode.